Hello everyone, good morning. This is your English teacher Neha Pradeep Joshi. Right now we are covering the fourth chapter in our syllabus, that is Pillars of Democracy. First of all, let me say sorry for the inconvenience that you had to face yesterday, but I'll try my level best to make this material more accessible to you. I'll try to use other forms as well, but right now let us just go ahead with what we are doing. Okay, so we have started reading Pillars of Democracy, a speech which was delivered by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar in Constituent Assembly. Okay, so in the first part of the chapter, let us first revise what did we do yesterday, and then we'll continue. So in this chapter, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is giving us details about the democracy that he expects for India. Okay, so here he is giving us ideas or advices of what are the things that we should do if we want to have a healthy democracy, and what are the things that we should avoid if we want to have a healthy democracy. So he is presenting some do's and don'ts. Okay, so we have seen that in the this first and second paragraph, he has mentioned two important points. He says that one thing we should definitely avoid in Indian democracy, that one thing is here, hero worship. Okay, see here he draws our attention towards the reality of the politics. की politics मध्ये there are many great leaders in any time. आपण काल पण पाहिलं होतं की मॉडरेट्स, एक्स्ट्रीमिस्ट, देन महात्मा गांधीजी, देन नेताजी सुभाषचंद्र बोस, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, revolutionaries. There are many people who have given significant contribution. It is expected that you should give respect to them. That is fine, but never in politics you are supposed to follow that person blindly. There should not be blind imitation or blind following of anyone. It is okay to respect somebody, but don't make that person too much greater for you. Don't worship that person as if he or she is your god. This is what he tells us that we should avoid. Never indulge in a practice of hero worship. कुणाचाही दैवतीकरण करू नका. This is what he says. And in second paragraph we have seen that he says that there is one another thing that we should do if we want to have healthy democracy. एक थिंग त्यांनी सांगितली आपल्याला अवॉइड करायला, that thing is what we have to avoid, hero worship. And in second paragraph he tells us to do something. What is that thing? Recognizing the principle of fraternity. काल आपण याचा मीनिंग पाहिला होता. What is fraternity? Means a sense of common brotherhood. And I gave you example of Chiprun floods also. कि at that time people of Maharashtra or the Indian people all over the India, they did not think it like कि if we are living in another part, why should we help Chiplunakars? They did not think it in that way. आपल्याला सगळ्यांनी ॲक्टिवली मदत केली होती. And a reason behind that action is fraternity, sense of common brotherhood. Okay, and then in the end एक अजून नाव मेन्शन झालेलं आहे, जेम्स ब्राइस. आणि आता आपल्याला त्यातली काहीतरी स्टोरी मेन्शन केलेली असणार आहे. अर्लियर there are two people who are mentioned. One is John Stuart Mill, and there is one quote by him, and another person is here Daniel O'Connell, Irish patriot, and his quote is given. Pay attention to small details like this. Okay, so this is what we have seen up to now. Now let us continue. Okay. So here he is giving us a story. He is telling us a story. Uh, how difficult it is can be realized from the story related by James Bryce in his volume of on American Commonwealth about United States of America. The story is, I propose to recount it in the words of Bryce himself that इथपर्यंतचा पार्ट आपण काल पाहिला होता. नाव लेट अस कंटिन्यू. Some years ago, the American Protestant Episcopal Church was occupied at its triennial convention in revising its liturgy. Now, in this sentence, there are many words that you don't know, and at this level, you are not supposed to know that in detail. But this Protestant Episcopal Church, ऐकून माहिती असेल तुम्हाला रोमन कॅथलिक चर्च आणि प्रोटेस्टंट, देर आर टू टाईप्स ऑफ चर्चेस. त्यातलं ब्रिटनमधलं आणि अमेरिकेतलं आहे ते प्रोटेस्टंट आहे. इतकंच माहिती असलं तरी इनफ आहे. यू डोंट हॅव टू नो इट इन डिटेल. So name is mentioned here, American Protestant Episcopal Church was occupied at its triennial convention in revising its liturgy. Triennial, what is meaning of that word? The 300th anniversary. If possible, not if possible, do it as an activity. गुगलवरती सर्च करा प्रत्येक ॲनिव्हर्सरीला काय म्हणतात. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड इथपासून 100, 200, 300 असं सर्च करा. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ इट, राईट इट इन युअर नोटबुक. दॅट विल हेल्प यू एनिवेन. माहिती नाही तुम्हाला कधी त्याचा उपयोग होऊ शकतो. इट इज अ बेसिक नॉलेज दॅट यू शुड हॅव. ओके. सो हे सर्च करून बघा ॲनिव्हर्सरीज. असं सर्च जरी केलं ना तरी ऑन गुगल यू विल फाइंड आन्सर फॉर दॅट. And whatever that is, copy it in your notebook. Okay. Liturgy, again it is mentioned here, rites prescribed for public worship. Okay. You don't have to know more about it. It is related to Christian ideology, liturgy. Okay. इतका इनफ आहे. It was thought desirable to introduce among the short sentence prayers a prayer for the whole people. की काय आहे की they wanted to introduce one small part in the prayer itself. Okay. And an eminent New England divine proposed the words, O Lord, bless our nation. Okay. So New England divine आहेत, a person, a clergy from New England. He proposed these words, O Lord, bless our nation. Accepted one afternoon on the spur of the moment. The sentence was brought up next day for reconsideration. So why this story is important? See, because of only those, because of that single phrase, how much controversy was there, he is telling us right now. Here there is one phrase over here, on the spur of the moment, ki within a fraction of second, ki at that incident, ki at that moment असं आपण म्हणतो ना, तत्क्षणी in Marathi we call it. तसं you can use this phrase. Again, underline it, copy it in your notebook. I'll give you meaning of that again, one context also, then मी तुम्हाला, but observe it in that way also. On the spur of the moment. Okay. The sentence was brought up next day for reconsideration when so many objections were raised by the laity to the word nation as importing too definite a recognition of national unity that it was dropped, and instead there were adopted the words, O Lord, bless these United States. Okay. Keep now, even in this short paragraph, what a big story is told to us. की तेवढ्या एका लाईन ची सुद्धा इतकी कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी त्या पिरियडमध्ये होऊ शकली होती. इतक्या लेवलचं अंडरस्टँडिंग लोकांचं नॅशनल इंटिग्रेशनबद्दलचं कमी होतं. हे इमॅजिन करा की इवन in history of United States of America there are many dark sides or areas that you don't know of right now, but try to learn it in that way also. कि democracy is relatively a new idea to the whole world. So earlier acceptance was not that eager. People had to fought for it a lot, and then somehow eventually after some time it was recognized. Okay. लेटीचा इथे मिनिंग दिलेला आहे मेंबर्स ऑफ अ रिलिजियस कम्युनिटी. ओके, लेट अस गो अहेड. पण लक्षात घ्या की कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी कशाची आहे, ह्याला सिग्निफिकन्स कशाचं आहे, फ्रॅटर्निटीचं आहे आणि नॅशनल इंटिग्रेशनचं आहे. की वेन यू डोंट आयडेंटिफाय ॲज अ नेशन, वेन यू डोंट हॅव अ कनेक्शन as like people of India or people of United States, if this kind of idea is not at all there, then such controversy can take place. एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. Then there was so little solidarity in the USA at the time when this incident occurred that the people of America did not think that they were the nation. कि this is the real problem. When you don't identify as a nation, this is definitely something which is going to happen again and again. Okay, if the people of United States could not feel that they were a nation, how difficult it is for Indians to think that they are a nation. अगेन कन्सिडर करा, आपण क्लासरूममध्ये रिवाइज केली होती लिस्ट ऑफ स्टेट्स अँड युनियन टेरिटरीज. यू नो हाऊ ईच अँड एव्हरी स्टेट इज डिफरंट दॅन महाराष्ट्र, राईट? की देर इज अ डिफरंट कल्चर, देर इज डिफरंट लँग्वेज, festivals and everything which is so different. Then how are we connected to each other? Because of that idea that we all are under one roof, and that is India. If that idea is not there, then there won't be any connection between us. Okay, so this is what he is warning us right now and even at that time. Okay. I remember the days when politically minded Indians resented the expression the people of India. Resented is when they don't like something. To resent is to have or don't like. When you don't like something, you resent it. Means you resent it. I resent what? I resent the idea of eating too much junk food. Means what? I don't like the idea of eating too much junk food. Resent. हे पण एक वर्ब आहे. Write it in your notebook and underline it. Yeah. They preferred the expression the Indian nation. I am of opinion that in believing that we are a nation, we are cherishing a great delusion. Another word, delusion, a mistaken idea or opinion. Bhram. In Marathi we call it Bhram. We are cherishing a great delusion. How can people divided in several thousands of castes be a nation? The sooner we realize that we are not as yet a nation in the social and psychological sense of the word, the better for us. Okay. Now, while teaching you or reading that part of introduction in classroom, I told you that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's whole life was dedicated to a single cause, and that cause was eradication of untouchability. So he was expert in this field of law, that is one thing, but his most significant contribution is in social reforms. So while even writing the constitution, he had that idea in his mind. की फक्त कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रिपेअर केलं आहे, लोकांना दिलं आहे, यावरून डेमोक्रेसी येणार नाही आहे. देर आर मेनी थिंग्स दॅट वी हॅव टू डू ऑन आर ओन, otherwise it is not possible to have healthy democracy. And what is that thing that we should do is eradication or abolition or uh, removing all those ill practices of related to caste system. हे त्यांनी त्यात सांगितलेलं. Then only we shall realize the necessity of becoming a nation and seriously think of ways and means of realizing the goal. Ki once you realize what is the problem, then you can find the solution. But first you have to identify that there is a problem which needs to be addressed, right? The realization of this goal is going to be very difficult, far more difficult than it has been in the United States. काय सांगतात ते की हे पॉसिबल नाही आहे इंडियामध्ये, किंवा तितकं इझी नाही आहे इंडियामध्ये युनायटेड स्टेट्स इतकं. वाय? द युनायटेड स्टेट्स हॅज नो कास्ट सिस्टम. इन इंडिया देर आर कास्ट्स. द कास्ट्स आर अँटी नॅशनल. ओके, again now this is not just a law expert speaking, this is a social reformers words. हे लक्षात घ्या. The castes are anti-national in the first place because they bring about a separation in social life. Now this you can observe, you must be facing this, you must be experiencing this daily, regularly. Okay, this is how we identify with one group. ह्या जातीचे त्या जातीचे हे सेपरेशन अगदी उघड दिसत नसलं तरी इट इज देअर अँड यू नो दॅट, राईट? दे आर अँटी नॅशनल ऑल्सो बिकॉज दे जनरेट जेलसी अँड अँटीपथी बिटवीन कास्ट अँड क्रीड, राईट? की याच्या मागचं लॉजिक काय असतं सेपरेशन बिटवीन डिफरंट कास्ट, की वन इज हायर दॅन समबडी एल्स, हाच त्याचा सिग्निफिकन्स आहे. देर इज नो अनदर पर्पज राईट नाव. इनिशियली वेन द कास्ट्स वेर फॉर्म्ड मे बी तेव्हा वेगळा अर्थ असेल, बट राईट नाव वी हॅव दॅट स्टेटस सिम्बॉल अँड एव्हरीथिंग इन आर हेड सो मच फिक्स्ड, राईट? म्हणून ते सांगतायत की दे आर अँटी नॅशनल ऑल्सो बिकॉज दे जनरेट जेलसी. की दिस इज करेक्ट, जेलसी होते त्यामुळे. देन अँटीपथी, फिलिंग ऑफ रायवलरी. Antipathy is what? Feeling of rivalry between caste and creed. Caste is Zaat and creed is Pantha. But we must overcome all these difficulties if we wish to become a nation in reality. Once we overcome all this, then there is a way towards healthy democracy. But for that we must overcome everything that he has already mentioned. For fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. Without fraternity, equality and liberty will be no deeper than coats of paint. The last line is also very significant. Without fraternity, if there is no sense of common brotherhood, then equality and liberty will be no deeper than coats of paint. की जेव्हा तुमचं कनेक्शन नाही आहे एकमेकांमध्ये, then you won't treat each and everyone as equals. And then some people will do what they like, they'll use their own power to get everything, and other people who have who are somehow lesser or weaker, or those who were neglected in the past, they will continue to live like this only. So for that what do we need is fraternity, a sense of common brotherhood, bandhuta. If it is there, then only equality and liberty will have some meaning. Otherwise it will be no deeper than coats of paint. Coats of paint, त्याच्या इतकाच अर्थ राहणार आहे. इट विल बी जस्ट टू शो अदर्स, but it won't have any significance in real life. Okay. Again, throughout the chapter तुम्ही पाहिलं तर it is about democracy. What kind of democracy does he expect? What are the things we are supposed to avoid? One is hero worship. And what is one thing that we should inculcate, the value that we must inculcate is fraternity. राईट. रिवाईज करा, असे इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट्स काय आहेत ते लक्षात घेतलेत तर हे चॅप्टर क्लिअर होऊन जाईल. शॉर्ट असला तरी इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. अँड दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अ चॅप्टर बट दीज आर ॲक्च्युअल वर्ड्स बाय अ ग्रेट मॅन दॅट यू शुड नो. आणि ॲज यू आर इन अ प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रोईंग तेव्हा हे चांगलं असं काही ऐकलेलं असलं तर डेफिनेटली इट विल शेप युअर माइंड इन अ बेटर वे. ओके. So go through the chapter once again. If you have any problem you can ask me. Then my favorite part, there are activities. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to make this video also lengthy. I have decided आपण व्हिडिओ छोटे छोटे बनवूयात. आता हा 20 मिनिट्सचा झाला आहे. I'll just briefly talk about the questions and I'll stop. आपण काय करायचं, 15 मिनिट्सचा किंवा 20 मिनिट्सचा इतकाच व्हिडिओ ठेवूया. सो मे बी आपले 40 मिनिटाची लेक्चर होणार नाहीत. आपली शॉर्ट लेक्चर्स व्हिडिओज मी तुम्हाला पोस्ट करेन, बट देन इट विल बी फॉर मंडे, ट्यूजडे, वेनसडे, थर्सडे, जसे होईल तसे. वेन इट इज अपलोडेड यू आर सपोज टू वॉच इट. आणि कंप्लीट पाहायचा आहे व्हिडिओ. ओके. Now let me tell you what you are supposed to do. कुठले क्वेश्चन्स कंप्लीट करा तेवढेच सांगते, बाकीचे I'll discuss. A1, this is discussion. For discussion don't pay that much attention. If you are interested तर हे सगळं सर्च करून बघा गुगलवरती. काय इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळाली तर फक्त पॉईंट्स नोट डाऊन करून ठेवा, दॅट इज इनफ. बाकी काही करायची गरज नाही. स्पीकिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे मोस्टली. सेकंड, यू कॅन डू ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स. थर्ड, completing the web, understanding related आहे, comprehensionशी related आहे. You can do that on your own. A2, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has cited the quotes by John Stuart Mill and Daniel O'Connell. Go through the lesson and write down 4 to 5 lines for each of them. यांच्या quotes find out करा and copy them. Discuss with your partner and make a list of steps that you feel are essential to unite the people of different caste, race, religions and languages in India. This is like a personal response question. Don't, if you are interested, then discuss it with your partner or write it as a personal response. Not more than 4 sentences. लक्षातच ठेवायचं हे. Then 3, just like that, personal response. Write your views, opinions in brief on the following topics. We must always cast our vote. If you think that yes we should, then why? 1 or 2 lines are enough for each of them. Liberty, equality, fraternity lead to an ideal nation. यासाठी अगेन सांगितलं तर चॅप्टरमधल्या काही लाईन्स यूज केल्या तरी चालतील. 3 to 4 लाईन्स मॅक्झिमम, ह्याच्यावर लिहूचं नका, काही गरज नाही आहे. स्टेप्स टू बी टेकन टू इरॅडिकेट इनइक्वॅलिटी. व्हॉट डू यू थिंक सांगू शकता तुम्ही. इरॅडिकेशन इज व्हॉट? अबॉलिशन और रिमूवल, नाहीसं करणे. ओके. अँड 4th, रोल ऑफ यूथ इन क्रिएटिंग सोशल अवेअरनेस. सी इफ यू कॅन अटेम्प्ट इट तर करा, अँड इफ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल तर मला तसं सांगा. आय विल जस्ट गिव्ह यू सम आयडिया हाऊ यू आर सपोज टू राईट इट. मी वेगळं देईन तुम्हाला ते. इफ पॉसिबल तर करा. ओके. देन हा A3, होमोग्राफ. A4, this is grammar, preposition, and then speech. For that I am going to make a separate video. ओके. पुढचे जे व्हिडिओ असतील ते अजिबात मिस करायचे नाहीत. प्रेपोजिशन हे इम्पॉर्टंट टॉपिक आहे ग्रामरचा, तो तुम्हाला आलाच पाहिजे. ओके. सो डोंट मिस दॅट. अँड दिस पार्ट ऑल्सो WH क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेशन, त्याच्यासाठी एक सेपरेट व्हिडिओ होईल. सो देर विल बी 2 व्हिडिओज, 1 फॉर प्रेपोजिशन, 1 फॉर दिस. लेंदी नसतील, अगदी 10 मिनिट्स 15 मिनिट्सचे सुद्धा असू शकतात. आय डोंट नो, जेव्हा मी करेन तेव्हा मे बी इट विल बी मोर क्लिअर. ओके, टिल देन you are supposed to complete A1 second, third, A2 first, second, third. एवढे तुम्ही करून ठेवायचे आहेत. अगदी सॅटर्डेपर्यंत केले तरी चालतील, बट राईट इट इन युअर नोटबुक आणि त्याचा फोटो काढायचा आणि पोस्ट करायचा आहे ग्रुपवरती, सो दॅट आय कॅन नो दॅट यू आर ॲक्च्युली डुईंग समथिंग. ओके, all right, I'll just talk about this fun part, homograph, or you know what, okay, let me make another video for that. इथपर्यंतचा पार्ट आपला कंप्लीट क्लिअर झालेला आहे A2 थर्डपर्यंत. A3 1 2, A4 1, prepositions and all that, and then A5. I'll make a separate video for that. Okay, watch it when I'll post it. Till then, go through the chapter once again, find out the answers, find out about anniversaries. तो सुद्धा सांगितला होता, जे ट्रायएनियल आपल्याला तिथे दिलेली आहे तशी. फाइंड आउट, सर्च इट ऑन गुगल, इट इज अवेलेबल. ते करायचे आहेत अँड कम्प्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन्स. अँड बाय सॅटर्डे I can expect that you'll complete it and post it on a group. Okay, thank you for your attention, and we'll cover the next part in next lecture.